to explain a little bit about aromatherapy and how it works and how we would use it. So to start with, we would do a consultation with a client and we would find out what their conditions were, whether physically or mentally, any health concerns, anything to perhaps do with their digestive system, respiratory system, perhaps find out about what medication they're on. So we'd do a really thorough consultation before we would then move on to doing the treatment. Once we've done our consultation, we know about our client, we can then start to decide what oils we're going to use. So I'm just going to give myself as an example today. So I have selected 3 oils for myself. I've selected basil, that's very good for mental health. I have selected geranium, which is a very good oil for the females and good for hormones. And also frankincense, which is good for calming and also very good for the skin and helps with cell regeneration, so it should help with anti-aging. So if I was to do myself a full body massage, I would select my grapeseed oil, which is classed as the carrier oil. I would measure out approximately 30 ml. And then I'd pour it into my glass container, put the lid back on, and then I'm going to put 3 drops of each oil . And some take longer to come out than others. Okay. And then I would blend that oil, and then that would be suitable to use for a full body massage for myself. So that oil would be applied to the skin. The skin would then absorb all those oils. The oils would then go into the bloodstream, and that would be how they would then go around my body. So we can use the oils in massage. They could also be blended into a massage cream or any facial creams or shampoos, conditioners, anything like that. Another way for us to absorb the oils is through inhalation. So we may wish to use something such as this, the diffuser, or we may wish to just pop a drop on a tissue, which could then be inhaled. And that is just a brief introduction to aromatherapy.